1.5 Value and uses of information. Information has now come to be recognized as a critical strategic resource in every human activity. This is so because it is a prerequisite for informed action at all levels of time and space, individual, institutional, national, and global levels. Information is so essential and embedded in our daily activities that, like air, we do not even realize that we are using it until the supply is cut. In whatever we do, there is always an element of information processing. The entire thought process is always an element of information processing. In formal organizations, whether governmental or non-governmental, information assumes a very critical role in their operations because they often operate in an environment of scarce resources that must be efficiently used for them to survive and achieve their mandated goals. The old notion that considered people, capital, finance, and property as constituting the three critical resources of an organization has now been reviewed to include information as the fourth critical resource. Out of these four resources, it is information that provides the competitive edge to an organization because it is the most indispensable. Whereas the other three resources can be easily replaced, as shown by the great mobility of the modern labor force, easily available sources of finances from a variety of financial institutions, and the replaceability of buildings and machinery, information cannot be readily created, replaced, or reconstructed once it is lost. It is for this reason that organizations with the best information delivery systems always have an advantage over their rivals. As Strootman has correctly observed, information is the most potent source of value added in manufacturing and services, administration, and research. The ability to manage information resources will increasingly mean the difference between success and failure for organizations, groups, and even nations. Strootman, 1992, 9. Indeed, all functions of management, including organizing, coordinating, directing, planning, budgeting, controlling, and staffing, including their attendant decision-making processes, are impaired without an input of relevant, accurate, complete, and timely information.